Next up, broccoli rabe. We got some broccoli rabe. It's blanched. I know, Grandma. I know. I'm sorry, but these people, they like it blanched. I got a little bit of garlic. I got some shallot. I got a little butter, some chili flake, chicken stock, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. Let's get started. Well, as always, first, frontoia. We're gonna add our garlic. Good amount of garlic. Don't be shy. All right, so we're gonna get our garlic going. And folks, as always, what do? Ground the garlic. That's my man. A little bit of shallot. And at this point is when I wanna add the chili flake. So the chili flake toasts up nice along the way. Give it a little bit more of a toasty spice than just a hot spice. Okay, folks, we're gonna season along the way. Some salt and some pepper. Look at that. Nice, browned garlic, toasty, beautiful, delicious. Ain't no stopping us now. We're gonna add our broccoli rabe. I like to arrange it on the pan with nice surface area, just to give it a little saute and to ensure it heats through all the way. So we'll let that all come together. Hear that garlic sizzling away? That's magic, baby. Magic. Okay, we got our broccoli rabe, nice and toasty, and we add a little bit of chicken stock. At home, if you don't have chicken stock, you can use a little bouillon too. All right, so that chicken stock's gonna reduce, and I'm gonna put a couple knobs of butter. Because here, we like butter. Butter makes everything great. Okay, let's plate.